Tired of constantly skimming, vacuuming, or wrestling with your pool cleaner? 2025 just dropped the smartest, most efficient robotic pool cleaners yet, and we've rounded up the absolute best. Whether you've got a large in-ground pool, leaves galore, or just want to set it and forget its solution, this list is your one-stop guide to sparkling pool perfection. Let's dive in. This isn't your average pool bot. The Dolphin Premier 2025 model is a serious powerhouse. It's packed with multiple filter options, including an oversized leaf bag, standard filter cartridges, and ultra-fine filters. So it tackles everything from acorns to algae. It cleans the pool floor, walls, and even the waterline, and comes with a weekly scheduler so you can automate your cleaning. Great for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. It's known for its durability, efficient cleaning patterns, and plug-and-play setup. If you want a high-end cleaner that covers every angle, this is the one to beat. Check the description below for the latest deals and links. For those who prefer a pressure-side solution, the Polaris Vac-Sweep 360 remains a fan favorite. It uses your pool's return pressure line to powerfully sweep, scrub, and vacuum the pool's floor and walls. What's great here is no booster pump is required, and it handles large debris easily, thanks to its single-chamber filter bag. It's super reliable and affordable, especially for older pools or systems already set up for pressure cleaning. You'll find this one linked in the description for more details. One of the most high-tech cleaners of the year, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, brings insane features to the table. We're talking 360-degree intelligent mapping, adaptive path planning, and a mind-blowing 8,500 gallons per hour cleaning power. It's made for all in-ground pools up to 3,230 square feet and adapts to your pool's unique shape and depth. If you want a sleek, futuristic pool cleaner that thinks like a human and scrubs like a beast, this is the one. Links and availability are in the description below. The Beatbot AquaSense II Ultra is like the Tesla of pool robots. It features AI, camera-based navigation, 5-in-1 cleaning modes, and even water surface skimming and clarification. That means it doesn't just clean your floor, it manages your walls, waterline, surface debris, and clarity. The smart surface parking lets it float to the edge when it's done, so you can grab it without getting soaked. If you have a large or irregular pool layout, this is one of the smartest options you'll find in 2025. Check out the link below for specs and buyer reviews. Looking for a cordless, robotic cleaner that gets the job done without draining your wallet? The PoolPure Aquaguard SE II is a solid choice. It's been upgraded for 2025 with a 5,000 mAh battery, allowing it to run long enough to clean most average-sized pools in one go. No cords, no tangles. Just charge it up, drop it in, and let it work. It's not as smart as the high-end options, but for smaller pools or weekend use, it's efficient, simple, and priced right. We've included it in the description for easy checkout. So whether you're looking for high-tech AI cleaning or just want to keep things low maintenance and budget-friendly, there's a pool cleaner here with your name on it. Links to all the models are down below, so take a look and find the one that fits your pool and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which one are you getting for summer 2025? Stay cool and happy swimming.